Today we're going to view the entire property completely empty. That's right, the new buyers haven't moved in a single piece of furniture. What's up everybody? Rick Casady, Realtor with Baird Warner, Barrington. And let me know what you think of this place. Drop a comment with how much you think it's worth. And if you like it a lot, hey, maybe we can buy it from the new buyers before they even move in. We're in front of North Edgemond Lane in Barrington, Illinois, and just recently sold for $799,000. It's a 4-bedroom, 4-bath with a massive governor's driveway. It's the most recent sale of a property over 4 acres. So stay tuned. Thanks everybody. If you want to see more property tours like these, go ahead and hit that like, subscribe, and the notification bell. And don't forget to follow me at Rick Casady Realtor on YouTube and Instagram. Have a good one.